Hey, good morning and happy Wednesday. This is Dawn, and I just wanted to hop on real quick because it's funny. I started developing this little zit earlier this week, and I'm just like, oh, I know where that comes from, and I'm like, blaming myself because I actually ate a small bag of gummy bears earlier in the week. So I'm like, okay, there it is. My body's acting out because I had too much sugar. And then this morning I woke up and I have one of these little Louise Hay day by day things. And so today's Wednesday, November 20th says, I release the need to blame anyone, including myself. And it just got me to thinking what a powerful emotion blame is. And the statement this morning was just so profound that I release the need to blame myself or others. Because, when you think about your life and everything you've gone through, there's so many times, at least for me, I know in the past, that I've definitely been triggered and fallen into that blame game. And blame and shame, I believe, are probably two of the most powerful and destructive emotions. So I'm actually just sitting in the car. I'm on my way to a doctor's appointment, just something routine, nothing serious. And so I just thought I'd hop on and do a quick little tapping demonstration for blame. And whether it's you're blaming yourself for something, or perhaps you're blaming someone else for something, even if it's stealing your parking spot or eating your food in the refrigerator like your roommate or whatever it is, when we carry that stuff around with us, it builds up in your system if you are having these powerful emotions. So let's just do a little bit of tapping. And I'm holding the phone with my left hand. So you're not going to be able to see me do the karate chop, but I'm going to lightly do the karate chop. Actually, you know what? I'll do the karate chop on something else in my car. So just starting with the karate chop point, I'll just do a couple quick minutes here of tapping. Even though sometimes I blame myself for others, I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. Even though sometimes I blame myself for others, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. You always want to do it 3 times, so one more time. Even though I sometimes blame myself or others for things that are just out of my control, and I hold on to it for some reason, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Okay, now I can use my fingers. Inside of the eyebrow, blaming myself for others. Side of the eye, blaming myself or others. Under the eye, blaming myself or others. Under the nose, blaming myself or others. Chin point, blaming myself or others. Collarbone, blaming myself or others. Under the arm, blaming myself or others. Top of the head, blaming myself or others. Inside of the eyebrow, blaming myself or others. Side of the eye, this is such a powerful emotion. Under the eye, and I don't want to hold on to this emotion anymore. Under the nose, because it no longer serves me. Chin point, and it's time to let it go. Collarbone, it's time to release this blame. Under the arm, so I choose to release this blame. Top of the head, I choose to let go. Inside of the eyebrow, releasing this blame. Side of the eye, it feels so good to want to let it go. Under the eye, so I choose to release this blame. Under the nose, I choose to let it go. Collar or chin point, and I choose instead, under the arm, to be calm and relaxed. Top of the head, and just to be positive instead. Okay, Just take a deep breath. Okay. So I hope that felt good. So I just wanted to hop on real quick. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. And if you have any questions or need any guidance, or if I can answer any questions for you, feel free to email me at dawnhypnotherapy.com, and hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Okay, bye.